Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the Disco Girl makeup tutorial. To start off, I'm going to be using the Bioderma Moisturizing Care Gel Cream. I'm applying this all over my face, focusing mostly on my nose because that's where I feel like I have the biggest pores. Then I'm going to be using the Hangover primer by TooFaced, and it's the Replenishing face primer. This one goes for about $32. It's lasted me for almost half a year. It's like one of those products that you don't want to run out of. You still ask yourself why you have more of it. It leaves my skin really dewy, which is perfect if you want your foundation to appear lustrous. I'm going to be completing the pre-lighting stage, and this is just me applying highlight before my foundation. I'm using an e.l.f. highlighting stick, and I'm applying this to my cheekbones, my brow bone, and my nose. After I apply it directly to my face, I just blend it with my fingers. It blends really well, and there's no need to use any brushes. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in Classic Ivory. This works great for normal to dry skin. My skin tends to crack a lot, so if I put matte foundation on, it really looks bad. So this foundation is like a holy grail for me. I'm still trying to figure out why I didn't put my hair up in the beginning of the video. For the restless eyes, I'll be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer in Y33. And I'm just applying this all over my under eye area. I love this concealer because it blends perfectly with the foundation. This concealer is really lightweight, which means that it won't sit on the wrinkles in your under eye area. For contouring, I'm going to be using the shade Inventor and the Sculptor Highlight and Contour Palette. This is probably one of my favorite contour palettes that I received from BoxyCharm. I love the contour shades because they're easy to move around and they don't sit on your skin like other contour shades do. I'll be applying this with an angled contoured brush right on the hollows of my cheeks. And if you don't know where the hollows of your cheeks are, you guys can just suck in your cheeks, and there they are. Next up, I'll be baking with the Ben Nye Banana Luxury Powder, and I'm applying this with the same angled brush. Some on my forehead, some where I applied the concealer, and of course, right under the cheekbones. Now I'm just brushing the eyebrows, and I'm going to be filling in the end of my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Browist Pencil in deep brown. Now I'm just brushing the inner brow hairs with the Brow Gel Tinted Brow Gel, light hair in 03. It has microfibers, which makes it easier for me to brush those smaller hairs. For highlight, I'm using Trailblazer from the same Purr palette that I used before, and I'm applying my highlight with a big fluffy brush on my cheekbones and my brow bone. Here I grab my smallest flat brush and I grab some of the highlight and I'm applying it on my nose. The first shade I'm going to be applying on my eyelids is Flutterby, and it's in the My Little Pony collab with Colourpop. This palette is amazing. The colors are super pigmented and they blend beautifully. I'm applying this color with a fluffy angled brush, applying it all over the lid and the crease, really getting into that brow bone. Next up, I'll be grabbing Twilight from the same palette, and this color is kind of like a blue-green color. It has a green undertone to it. It reminds me a lot of Cadet Blue. I'm applying the shade with the Smudge sponge brush, and I'll just be applying this color in the tear duct part of my eye, and then I'm going to be moving on to the lower lash line and then all around the lid. So I'm just outlining my whole eye shape. Now I'm grabbing Sky Dancer, and this is a shade from the same My Little Pony collab with Colourpop, and I'm applying this color with a flat angled brush. I'm creating a wing effect. It looks really similar to a wing, except it's coming from my lower lash line. And I'm just mixing that in with the blue, making sure the transition is really nice. Okay, so moving on to the glitter part, I'll be using the It Cosmetics Black Magic Woman glitter. And first, I'm going to be dipping in my flat brush into the glitter base, which is also by It Cosmetics, and then into the glitter and applying it all over my eyelid. And then extending the glitter to above the crease, and then over that wing that I made with my lower lash line. So I'm just creating another wing right on top. Now you can just go ahead and apply a blue eyeliner in your waterline. I'm using the Inglot Kohl Pencil in 04. And now some mascara, just to make those eyelashes pop. And some blush. The blush I'm using is by Milani, and it's the Luminoso Big Powder Blush. For the lips, I'll be using the e.l.f. Tea Rose shade, and this is a matte lip color. I'm using this as a base. Now I'm moving on to apply a pink shade in the outer corner of my lips, and I'm just using a flat brush to apply this. This is from the Delancey lip palette, and I'm just making sure I'm going toward the center of the lips. Now I'm just going to be using my fingers to blend that color into the center of my lips. Now I'll be applying Adesse's liquid lipstick in Hot Cocoa in the center of my lips. And then again blending those colors together with my fingers. Even though this is a Disco Girl makeup tutorial, this look is very wearable. You could go to a party, supermarket, walk your dog, to the laundromat, anywhere you want. Till next time, bye!